Hello, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with today's edition of, well, not quite what makes this trade great, but what makes this scan awesome. Guys, I've talked about this abnormal option activity plus the 10-day daily break. It's a combination scan. Take a look at the alerts we got from this one today. Now, this may load a little slowly. You know, I'm doing these videos. Sometimes they load very slowly, but I mean, look at the EBIX. This is a short opportunity. The alert came in at 207. This got down to 134. That's a tremendous percentage run down. They've basically said they're going into chapter 11. SPWR, I'm going to show you the short ones first, okay? SPWR. Sorry guys, I know this takes a little bit longer when I'm doing, there we go. When I'm doing the video, my charts really take a while. I mean, look at this one, 427 on the short. This got down to before it started to pull back up, 362. They actually came out, the company actually said, and I'm going to paraphrase, we're not sure we can continue going on as a business. That's what they said. This was not a third party. This was not some short seller. This has come from the company itself. Look at this one early on, and I'm wondering if it's going to turn around later on in the day. ZIMV, I like the way it's basing right here. So I had an alert at 1612, gets all the way up to here before it pulled back, 1660. I'm liking this maybe later on in the day. Cliff, oh man, look at Cliff, CLF. Now this is all to do with US Steel. US Steel, there's a proposed buyout by Nippon out of Japan at around $55. Look what happened with Cliff as basically a sympathy play. And it's interesting because they actually, a few weeks ago, they put an offer in that was rejected by US Steel, I think around $35. But look, you know, 2066, and before it pulled back up to 2117. I mean, these are amazing moves. And US Steel probably is not going to move that much, but here's an alert at 5018. And see what, you know, you never know. I mean, it got up to what, 50, almost 51 in the pre-market. Anyway, the bottom line is, if you want this scan, come into the trading room. This is the one that I've been focusing on for the last 3 weeks. I'm not saying every single time we get an alert, it's awesome, but I'm telling you, I would say 3 out of 5, 3 out of 6 are really, really good. So come into the room and I'll give you that scan. So have a great evening, everybody, and we'll see you tomorrow.